Here's a freight train going by Atlanta. I kind of missed the power on this one. We were just coming down there a little bit, but we just missed this freight train going by, but we are still here. This is kind of a special surprise here in town today. And looks like it's a UP freight train just going by Lawndale and Lincoln area. And if you didn't know, this is going to be uploaded to YouTube. Oh, we got the classic containers back. I love this blow. My blow. Kind of missed this freight train going by south of what this is south of Atlanta. Kind of missed the power on that one, but I missed the DPU because we were coming down here. Wait. Here we go. Type 2 this signal. This is dead. This is dead bell. Type 4 over here and type 1.5.